What's up everybody, Daniel here and welcome to another video. It has been a long time since I've made a video on YouTube, and that's because YouTube doesn't really care for its creators, so I've just taken a break on it and posted most of my stuff on Instagram. But I am back with this video in particular because Madonna just released Mdna, the new album, and I had never actually tried her skincare line. I had it received through PR, and I think that today is an appropriate day to actually start using the skincare. Now, I am a Madonna fan, but that does not mean that I'm going to be biased towards these products. I really want to try them out and let you know how they are, good or bad, regardless of my affiliation and my fandom towards Madonna. So I do have a few products here. I have the face wash, I have the Mdna Skin Chrome Clay Mask, and apparently you take this off with a magnet. So this right here is the magnet to take off the clay mask, and it comes with a sleeve so you don't have to get it all dirty. I'm very surprised that it came with like an entire manual that I'm supposed to read. This is just more of a how-to because it is using a magnet, so if you do have a pacemaker, it just has to show all the warnings and the dangers of using a magnet on your face. So, and the last thing that I got you guys is the beauty roller, which is the most important part of the Mdna skincare line because I saw the commercial with Madonna actually using this and it looked so bougie and so magnificent that I was like, I need to have this. I just need to have it. We're gonna be playing with this as well. Like I said, I've never used the face wash and I've never used the clay mask whatsoever. Madonna swears by all of this. She says that it is incorporated with Japanese innovation, and I already use Tacho, which is a Japanese skincare product, so we're gonna see if this lives up to it. Now for the face wash, I can compare it to the Tatcha One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. This retails for $48, this retails for $50, you guys. This says that it is a purifying, calming, deep pore cleanse for your face. So I'm curious to see if this face wash uses the same properties and has the same ingredients to break down my makeup as well. Obviously I have a full face of makeup right now, so let's pump some products onto my hands and see if it breaks it down. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna rub it on my hands. Ooh, okay. It's starting to foam up on my hands. And let's break it down. Okay, no. That's a no. Doesn't take off your makeup, but that's alright. It didn't advertise that whatsoever. I was just trying to compare the two because I was just trying to compare it to something. The Tatcha Camellia Oil does break down your makeup as well as cleanse your face. But do keep in mind that Tatcha does have a cleanser that doesn't necessarily break down your makeup as well. So I feel like this face wash would fall into that category. So I'm gonna go take off this makeup and we are going to reset. Okay, makeup is off. Now I'm gonna go in again with the face wash and use this properly for the second time to see how it actually feels as a first impression on my face. From what I remember, Madonna used just like dry hands to apply this, so I'm gonna see how she did it. I'm not watching anybody else's review, just hers.
Now, why do I love this face wash so much? First of all, I love the smell of it. Rosemary, mint, lime, and geranium. Doesn't that smell like heaven? It has amino acids, and again, thermal waters. It's super simple. Squirt, squirt, squirt on your hand, with or without water. Wash your face. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you're gonna love it. So now,
dry hands, squirt, squirt, squirt. Do you hear that? It's a little sticky. It does smell great, like she said. It was sticky initially, just added a bit of water, and now it's actually turning into somewhat of a lather. Not gonna lie, it actually does feel pretty luxurious. It does feel very soft, and it does feel like it's cleaning, so. Feels like my skin has tightened right up, actually. It feels like it needs a lot of moisturizer on it, but it does feel very clean. It does feel soft, which is great. So next up is the mask, actually. This is the Mdna Skin Clay Mask. It says, apply a thin layer over the face with a non-metal spatula. Oh, I think it actually provided a spatula for us. Boom, non-metal spatula. Okay. Continuing. Remove after 3 to 5 minutes with a soft cloth. The product may be removed with Chrome Clay Mask Remover. Do not use this product if you might be allergic to any metal. Avoid contact with eyes and mouth. Oh, it's thick. It's real thick. Ah. As cool as this spoon thing is, I feel like it's not efficient when applying this mask. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, well I guess that's gonna go there anyway. Okay, great, that's enough, right? Okay, so apparently I'm just gonna let this sit for 3 minutes and let it dry. Okay. Okay, a little check-in. It's been about 3 minutes and it feels a little hot. I'm worried that I did it a little too thick. Hopefully I didn't. I'm not allergic to anything, so I don't think that that's causing an issue at all. So I'll just wait it out. It's not bothersome, it's not irritating whatsoever. So I'll give it a few more minutes and then take it off. Okay, I think it's been enough time. This thing says remove after 3 to 5 minutes, so I guess we shall. This is the tool that I have to use to remove the clay from my face, and apparently it's just supposed to come off immediately with this thing, so here we go. I feel like it hasn't been on long enough, like it still seems wet to me, but it said 3 to 5 minutes, so I guess we're just gonna try it out. So, oh my gosh! This really is very magnetized. Holy cow, you guys. Look at this. This just ripped right off of my face. She was not kidding. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, I'm still a little shocked. Here we go. Let's do the rest of it. Oh my goodness. This is weird. It literally feels like, oh my gosh, do you see that? Do you see that? I'm gonna zoom in on that. Watch this. It is just being lifted up. Are you seeing this happen? I wanna like show this coming off. Oh. It is so cool! This is awesome! Wow, 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 wow. I literally don't want to do any mask ever again except this one. I definitely know that I use too much product because I feel like I have to wipe this off. Even when I try wiping it off, look, even the paper towel is magnetic. Like, I have to be very, very strong when ripping this thing off. Okay, back to business. Taking all of this off. I feel extremely hydrated. I look extremely dewy. Holy cow, I'm just looking at myself in the monitor, I'm sorry, but from getting all of those impurities off of my face and then putting on this face mask, like, complete difference. Now I'm extremely hydrated. Wow, 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 wow. All right, so the mask itself is $120. This magnetized remover is $80. So those two products that I just used come to a total of $200. And I'm sorry, I'm still looking at my face in the monitor because I feel extremely dewy. I think that this just proved that it definitely is a luxurious item, and the price point reflects that. From what it just did to my skin, I feel like I've never used a mask quite like that before, so that was incredible. But moving on to the last product from Mdna Skin that I own, and that is the Beauty Roller. This thing is, if you've seen the commercial for this thing, Madonna sells it. It looks like this is the only thing that you ever need in your life. So it is a contouring tool and it has 2 carbon spheres here, but the way that they're angled, the way that the 2 spheres are angled, is like this one's facing outward this way and this one's facing outward this way. So instead of them pointing forward, they're pointing out. So when you roll them in, it's actually pinching your skin together. Let me just see if it can show a demonstration here on my arm. Because of the position that the balls are pointing, it's pinching your skin in between those 2 spheres. So it's actually giving you a facial massage. Oh, and it feels really good. It feels really good, actually. Use this roller before or after your skincare ritual to help rejuvenate the look of your skin to promote the absorption of serums and creams. Okay, well, we just used the mask, so I feel like this is relevant. Use the Beauty Roller on your jawline, your cheeks, your neck. Oh yeah, definitely right here too. And your forehead. Well, That one I'm not so sure about. Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna put this in my bathroom and just use it every single morning because it's like a face massage. Look, it's a massage for your face. Do you see how it's just like pinching everything? It's also phallus themed, which is very on brand for Madonna, so I wouldn't expect anything less. This is incredible. Okay, I'm putting that away. Now let's talk about this. Number one, the face wash. Do not be wearing makeup when you actually use this. Compared to the Tatcha Camellia oil, obviously this doesn't remove makeup like we said, but this definitely feels like it cleanses everything from my face. I feel like I didn't have any impurities or anything in my pores after using this. Next was the Mdna Chrome Clay Mask as well as the remover. So this was the most luxurious thing that I think I've ever used in my life. The feeling of the magnet actually pulling it off of my skin was so cool. Left my skin glowing. Like, look at my skin right now. Even still, it is so glowy. Third, we used the beauty roller, and very bougie but very luxurious, I must say, is my favorite thing. I'm definitely going to be using it. I feel like if you have a headache, you know, right here, you can just grab the beauty roller and just massage it. Even that feels really wonderful. So this is my favorite thing. This makes me want to try the serum or even the eye puffs, and especially the moisturizer. So wow, very impressed with it, you guys. I'm gonna leave a lot of the links for the website as well as the products that I used down below. And also, Madonna's new album, Madam X, is released today, so go ahead and stream that or listen to that wherever you find music. I haven't listened to it personally, but that's exactly what I'm gonna do right after this. Be sure to like and subscribe this video, and also just follow me on Instagram because YouTube isn't gonna push this video whatsoever. So I will see you there, on Twitter, wherever you wanna find me. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.